Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I just wanted to talk about my outfit of the day. So I was out earlier today running some errands, you girls, and I have to say, I was feeling myself like the Beyonce song. I was feeling myself a little bit with my outfit, so I wanted to come on here and talk about my outfit of the day. So if you're interested in outfits of the days and you love handbag videos, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started talking about my outfit of the day and my handbag today. So my outfit of the day and my handbag of the day consists of my Michael Kors shoulder bag. This is the Michael Kors Bradshaw shoulder bag. I wore this bag today, you guys, and I loved it. I have to say I was feeling myself with my outfit, so I just wanted to talk about the different things that I wore it with. And I'm kind of a pretty simple girl sometimes with my outfits. If something works, then I repeat and wear it again and again and again. So you may have heard me talk about some of these items before, and sometimes I have new subscribers on the channel, so I like to go over some of the items that we've talked about because they're our loves. So I wore my lovely Bradshaw bag and I felt like an X-Men. I felt like I was Storm off of X-Men, or I felt like a superhero, you guys, with this Bradshaw bag. First of all, I love the bag. I love how sleek black it is, and then it has the hardware with the Michael Kors logo all over it. Then it has this large strap shoulder band that says Michael Kors. And it's a very nice crossbody shoulder bag, as well as it has the top handle with the gold. So nice. So along with my Michael Kors Bradshaw, you guys, I had to go ahead and rock my Doc Martens. So basically I had on my Bradshaw bag with my Doc Martens. And then I wore a pair of Michael Kors jeans. So I had my Michael Kors jeans on, you guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys my jeans. I had my Michael Kors jeans on, you guys. These jeans right here that are Michael Kors. So I had my Michael Kors jeans on. And then I had my leather jacket on. So I had this leather jacket on right here. And let me tell you guys, I felt like I was a bad mama jamma, you guys. So I went ahead and put my leather jacket on with this outfit, and I just thought it looked so nice. So this was the way I wore it. And I had my deck. This bag looks so cute with my leather jacket and with my Doc Martens right here. I was loving the way this outfit looked together. The Bradshaw is such a nice crossbody bag. The Bradshaw is such a nice crossbody bag for the bling that you get with it. Plus, you're going to look like a bad. So I enjoyed this outfit. It has the latch closure right here. And all I had in here was a pair of Saint Laurent sunglasses. I carried that with me. And I carried my keys, of course. I carried a mask. I had a mask with me. My keys. And then I had some Fenty lip gloss that I have on today. And I just love this look with the red, a pop of red for the lip, and my Bradshaw bag. I think I also had a Steve Madden card case, but I'm having in black. So that's all, because this little bag, you know, it's little, it's tiny, it doesn't hold that much. But those were the items that I had with me today in this lovely Bradshaw bag. And I have to say, I really just felt so sleek. I felt like an X-Men. I felt like couldn't nobody tell me nothing. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and share my bag of the day. I hope you girls enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I discuss my bag of the day. If you like videos like these, come on aboard my channel. Check out my playlist on Michael Kors. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you girls in my next video. See you later.